Hey guys, I've got a great one for you today. You're gonna love this. I'm gonna show you how I make a homemade cough expectorant that is better than anything you can buy on the store or get with a prescription. And it's very inexpensive and it tastes delicious. Your kids are gonna wanna take it. It's not gonna be complicated. If you've ever had to get a prescription expectorant, you know how disgusting it is. Doesn't even work that great. You gotta fight with your kids, forget it. When I had COVID pneumonia, this is what I took. I tried everything that I could off the shelf and prescription and all that, nothing touched it. This knocked it out literally within a few minutes. And I took it twice a day until I was better for a few days. So this really works. It's really simple. It's really easy. It's gonna use pineapple as one of its main ingredients. So it has kind of a tropical lemonade, frozen lemonade kind of flavor to it. If you want to know how to can your own pineapple so that you can have it on the shelf all around, I had mentioned that in this video on how to can it that I would show you later how to make this cough expectorant. So we're here today to do it. You're gonna love it. This is something that you're gonna want to know how to do and have on your shelf and have on hand whenever you need it, because with more and more respiratory sicknesses coming out that the medicines don't seem to be working for, or the possibility of supply chain problems coming in the future with these trade wars, you're gonna wanna know how to make something simple and easy with ingredients that are common in your kitchen. So let me show you how to make this amazing and powerful cough expectorant. All you need is some pineapple or pineapple juice. You can use canned. If you want to know how to can it yourself, you need no pressure canner, no special equipment. It is extremely easy. You want to watch this video. I'll show you how to do it so you can have it on your shelf already ready for flu season. But you need pineapple, you need honey, you need lemon juice, you need garlic, and you need a little bit of ice and water. Going to add our pineapple. Large clove of garlic, or you can put 2 or 3 little ones if all you have are little ones. This is some fresh squeezed lemon juice. I would put at least half a lemon's worth, which is probably like, I don't know, 4 tablespoons maybe. That actually might even be. It's going to taste basically like a frozen pineapple lemonade slushy. It's going to be really, really good. I sweeten with honey. Now, one quick tip about the honey, it is not recommended for babies under 1 year old to eat raw honey because their stomach acid isn't strong enough to kill off any botulism or bacteria that might be in it. The dogs are tearing me up. So for babies under 1 year old, you're going to want to leave the honey out. You can put something else. You can put, to sweeten it, you can put a little maple or a little raw sugar or something like that. I avoid sugar in the long run because it helps to feed infection, while the honey is antibiotic and antibacterial and antimicrobial and very good and beneficial for you. But for a child under 1 year old, it's not worth the risk. So if they're younger than that, just leave out the honey, put maple or something, some other sweetener of your choosing. I'm putting about a tablespoon's worth. You can put a little more if you want it a little sweeter. And there you have it. Even the smallest kid will enjoy this drink. It tastes like a tropical frozen slushy drink. You can serve this warmed up if you want, but the cold is also going to reduce inflammation and help to reduce sinus symptoms. So try it. You'll love it. It's better than anything you can buy at the store and better for you. You can also add pomegranate juice or other juices to it to make it taste a little bit more exotic. As long as you have those main ingredients, it's going to still work.